Start your design journey by choosing a template, whether you prefer a simple and elegant composition of 2 elements or a richer, more detailed mood board featuring up to 5 carefully selected components. Once you've chosen your template, select the perfect background from 6 sophisticated options. Explore our extensive catalog of finishes and worktops, mix, match, and experiment freely. Try pairing smooth, matte surfaces with textured wood veneers or sophisticated marble with contemporary metallic finishes. Feel free to play with contrasts, color palettes, and tactile details. You can also delve deeper into detail by adding practical yet beautifully designed opening system elements and carefully crafted accessories, refining your kitchen's functionality and aesthetics in equal measure. You can effortlessly resize each element, adapting them perfectly to your composition. Rotate, align, and reposition them freely, bringing balance and harmony to your layout. Adjust the layering of your elements to emphasize particular finishes or features, highlighting what matters most to your vision. Enhance your kitchen mood board by adding accessories or touches of greenery to breathe life and personality into your composition. And of course, feel free to remove them anytime, experimenting until it truly feels like your own. Last but not least, when you're satisfied with your creation, you can easily export and save your mood board or clear your workspace to start anew, exploring the infinite creative possibilities with the Armony Moodboard Configurator. Enjoy exploring your creativity with Armony, where every combination brings your vision closer to reality.